This is problem 4.2.34, and we need to find the derivative of y equals square root of e to the x plus 1. Okay, biggest thing you need to remember is usually these derivatives take multiple steps. Okay, so first I look at it, like what is the biggest still? Or maybe what is the outside part? We have the square root. We're going to have to first deal with the square root. Okay, and square roots will always change by just writing everything to the power of 1/2. And so to me, it's even easier when I write it like that to realize, oh, this looks like a chain rule because I have something to the power of 1/2. So at this point, forget completely that there's an exponential in there, that there's an e in there. If you just have anything to the power of 1/2, how do you take the derivative of that? It was to the power of 1/2, so we'll bring down the power of 1/2, and then we'll drop our power by 1. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then you keep everything in the box exactly the same. So that's the derivative of the outside, or basically the square root, since that's what was on the outside, times, and now you have to do the derivative of what's on the inside. So how do you find the derivative of e to the x plus 11? What is the derivative of an exponential? So here's our nice exponential here. We need to find that derivative. Derivative of e to the x. Derivative of e to the x is always just e to the x. That's pretty simple, right? If there's a number up here, or anything but just an x up here, you have to worry about doing the chain rule again. But the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Plus the derivative of 11 is 0. Okay, so to simplify this a little bit, that e to the x from right here would just go on the top. The 1/2, the 2 would go on the bottom. And because this is a negative exponent, it would go on the bottom. And we'll put it back in the square root, so because it'll be the 1/2 power of e to the x plus 11.